These Honey Buffalo Cajun Wings are some of my favorite wings ever. They're packed full of flavor and they're super easy to make. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can make these yourself. So in a bowl, start out with your wings and a little bit of olive oil as a binder. Next, we're seasoning our wings heavily. We got lots of different seasonings going on here. Just make sure that they're well coated, evenly coated. And now it's time to fire up our Char-Broil Kettleman grill. Make sure that charcoal is nice and hot, then lay on your grate. Let that grill heat up to about 350 degrees. Then add your wings to your grill, close the lid and let them cook so we could get a beautiful char on our wings just like this. So while those wings are cooking, let's make our sauce with some butter, crushed garlic, buffalo sauce, Cajun seasoning, honey, and lemon juice. Mix that up well, and now let's go take our wings off the grill. After about 30 minutes of cooking, those wings are done. Add your sauce, give them a good toss, and you're ready for the best wings ever.